Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Flodesk versus Beehiiv. So first, it's important to go over what these tools do exactly and who they are for. Flodesk is an email marketing tool while Beehiiv is an email newsletter tool. So let's explore their difference. Now let's compare their key features. Flodesk's key features include an easy to use email builder with many different templates, workflow automations, and let's take a look at Beehiiv. Beehiiv's main features allows you to build a website and newsletter so you can grow and monetize your email list. They have very easy to edit website and newsletter templates, so that's how they stack up against each other in terms of features. However, there's more categories to explore. Next, we'll take a look at their pricing option. The great thing about Flodesk is that they offer a lifetime free plan with some basic features such as forms, landing page, and on top of that, they have two paid plans which are also very affordable considering it's a flat payment that doesn't rely on how many subscribers you have in your email list. So whether you have a 1,000 or 50,000 people on your list, the price stays the same. Their first package is $38 per month to add email marketing to your available features and $26 per month to add e-commerce to your feature list. So you can determine what package best suits your needs. Beehiiv also offers a completely free plan. Beehiiv is more expensive than Flodesk, especially if you have large subscriber list. Now, one category that I like to take a look at when making a decision like this is the customer reviews, because what better way is there to find out which product is better than to look at the opinions of hundreds of experienced users. So let's take a look at what their users think on Capterra. Flodesk scores 4.2 stars out of 5 with 92 reviews. Beehiiv, on the other hand, scores 4.5 stars with only 4 reviews. So in terms of customer reviews, Beehiiv scores better, but Flodesk has a lot more reviews. So finally, I'll give you my honest and unbiased opinion about which of these tools I prefer and why. If you want to do email marketing for your business or products, I would use Flodesk. However, if you want to start an email newsletter and make money from that, then I would go with Beehiiv. Also, if you want to create a website, I would go with Beehiiv. So now you've got a better understanding. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.